Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for the last Power Bowl recipe, we are making a delicious quinoa berry breakfast bowl. This is a quinoa recipe that's cooked with delicious milk, cinnamon, vanilla, and then you top it with berries and some honey. It's a delicious, really easy to make, and a perfect way to start your day. So if you guys love these Power Bowl recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. To make this quinoa breakfast bowl, the first thing you want to do is cook the quinoa. So I've got some milk here. You can use any type of milk that you want. I always tend to use either coconut milk or almond milk. My pan is way too hot, so make sure that your pan is not this hot. But there you go. And then I'm just gonna add some cinnamon and some vanilla. And then I'm going to turn down the heat to a simmer and then add in my quinoa. All right, so you just want to let this simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes until our quinoa is nice and fluffy, but I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like when it's ready. All right, so my quinoa is done. I already poured it into my bowl here. I love the little flecks of cinnamon that you see and how brown the color is, so that is beautiful. And then now I'm just gonna add some fruits to it. I love having fruits for breakfast, so this is one of my favorites. So, got some blueberries, gonna add some strawberries, some raspberries. Perfect, that looks good. And then for a little bit of a crunch, I like to add almonds and then some coconut flakes. Beautiful. All right, there you guys go. Nice and easy. And then I like to add a little extra cinnamon on top, and then a little bit of honey. Ooh, beautiful. And that is your quinoa breakfast bowl. Oh, and then I forgot. If you want it to be a little bit more liquidy, since it is a little bit dry, everything is dry in there, you can add a little bit of milk. Here I have just coconut milk, but you can use any type of milk that you want. And that's it. Now I get to taste test. So I'm gonna take some of that strawberry, that delicious quinoa, and perfect bite. That quinoa cooked with the milk and the cinnamon and vanilla is so good. All right guys, this is absolutely delicious. I just love the quinoa in this and how cinnamony and delicious it is. Love the addition of the honey on top to bring a little bit more sweetness to the overall dish. So if you guys love these types of very easy, simple dishes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.